You're welcome to my channel Promotion for Short. In this video, we are going to talk about HRM in Information Technology. It's part of Module C Human Relation Management Advanced Bank Management course of CAIIB. So if you like this video, you can press the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it on social media. Help us to spread education in this beautiful world. Now after learning this chapter, you will appreciate and understand the impact of information technology on the organization and human resource management. You will examine the needs for creating technology-based database for human resource and HR information system. You will appreciate the relevance of research in HRM and the use of technology in this context. You'll appreciate the importance and use of knowledge management. Appreciate application of technology in training. Now, we all know that in the emerging information age, the parameters of success have changed. And the one who can have access and can convert, analyze data into information and extract knowledge and wisdom out of it has an edge over others who cannot do it. Human resource management as a function has dual responsibility in responding to this trend. As a part of strategic HRM, the most significant is the transformation required in the mindset of individuals across organizations because the technology challenges some of the traditional beliefs and attitudes of people. Now, this is something which we all can relate. People will not reciprocate to any change so easily, especially if it has been continuing since the past. So, the first thing is the change in mindset that is required. Now, what is the role of information technology in HRM? Now, there is tremendous scope to use IT in whole range of HRM functions such as recruitment, training, placement, appraisal and reward system, organizational development, etc. A certain basic information about employees is used by a major number of functionaries within and outside the HR department. For example, the organization may be spread in different locations. So once you have a database of all the employees, it can be used by any office located anywhere in the country. The database related to employees becoming broad-based as various dimensions are getting added along with traditional data regarding salary, allowance, increments, leave, etc. Updating the data could be done partially by different individuals from different locations. Human resource being one of the significant components of internal environment, policy review must be undertaken to respond to the changes. Let me ask you certain questions and I hope you'll be able to answer these questions in the description box below. Question number 1. You can answer this in true and false. The information technology is relevant only to developed countries and not developing ones. Question number 2. Information technology is a merging of computing and communication technology. Question number 3. IT can effectively substitute our present manual system and no longer change will be required. Question number 4. IT can be used in HRM to reduce the drudgery of accounting and preparing salaries. Question number 5. There is certain loss of power in IT as no single one has exclusive authority and access to information. Question number 6. The positive aspect of IT is that more number of people can be utilized for strategic decision making. It has reduced the importance of human resource in organizations. Now, what is Human Resource Information System? HRIS. Now, HRIS, that is Human Resource Information System, has become an organizational necessity. Decisions taken on the basis of information, whether it's concerning posting, training, compensation, job rotation, promotion, need the background of the person in terms of his competence, training needs, performance appraisal, etc. So computer-based data can enhance such decisions and make them objective. So a typical human resource information system includes biodata, education and professional qualification, organizational history, salary allowances, etc. So it's basically noting down all the information of an employee which can be used later for different purposes. I'll ask you certain questions. You need to answer them in true or false. Let me see if you can answer these questions. Question number one: database is useful only for taking decisions regarding training and placement. Question number two: decisions based on computerized data can improve the objectivity, fairness, and perceived as unbiased in decision making. Question number three: human resource information system can be used for taking vital decisions relating to individual employees. Question number four: computerized database can allow only one person to access it at a time. Question number five: confidentiality cannot be maintained in computerized data as it can be accessed by anyone from any location. Question number six: intelligence for decision making cannot be embedded into computerized system. Now, what is HR research? Now, research in human resource management can be undertaken to understand the trends of existing systems like recruitment, promotion, training, appraisal system, etc. To feel the pulse of the workforce in terms of their motivation, commitment, expectations, frustrations, and so on. Let me ask you certain questions. Question number one: research orientation in human resource is not as necessary as in other functions, whether it's true or false. Question number two: HR research is helpful to feel the pulse of the workforce. Question number three: cost of HR research is much higher than its perceived benefits. Question number four: HR research has not given due importance in banks. Question number five: to remain sensitive to internal environment, regular opinion surveys, climate studies, etc. should be conducted. Question number six: people do not take interest in service, therefore the surveys are useless. Question number seven: for a better understanding of intangible environment, which is very critical, a climate or a job satisfaction survey can provide data for action. Now let us learn about knowledge management. The information and the knowledge are considered most active resources for competitive success and strategic decision making. In this knowledge era, knowledge creation and deployment has certainly moved to the center stage of organizational priorities. And that is why knowledge management is gaining more and more prominence in the light of the fact that it is not sure whether an employee who has been developed by the organization will remain for long within the organization. So if you have trained an employee and the employee leaves the organization, it is a loss for you, but you can retain whatever he has learned in terms of managing his knowledge, which can be used for future training and development purpose. Now, when we talk about technology in training, what does it mean? Now, trainees are physically separate, normally the traditional modes of training, but now technology has provided a lot many opportunities for open learning. The trainee has flexibility to choose time, place, and form convenient of learning. Technology-based training methods helps in distance learning. Communication technology facilitated anywhere learning. Graphic user interface and interactive software have helped in developing e-learning packages. It's a powerful tool for distance learning. The learner has the choice of control and routine through the program depending upon his individual needs. The use of multimedia has improved the effectiveness of e-learning packages, and that is what you are doing now, listening to my video lecture. It's an e-learning module which you can listen at your convenience at whatever time you get from your office. So what is HR analytics? Now business analytics is now gaining a lot of significance in the progressive organization for facilitating them in the strategic decision making process. Business analytics focuses on developing new insights and undertaking understanding of business performance based on huge data and modern statistical methods. HR analytics is an important component based business analytics, which uses analytics tools for decision related to employees and also their effective utilization. So let me ask you certain questions, and I'm sure you'll be able to answer these questions in the description box below. Question number one: knowledge management most closely refers to capturing tacit knowledge of people for future use. Question number two: technology offers an opportunity in tailoring and designing training interventions to suit individual learner. Question number three: enables learner to study at his convenient time and place and can have privacy. Question number four: cannot stimulate or cannot simulate to real life situations. Question number five: communication technology facilitated anywhere learning. Question number seven: business analytics is now gaining a lot of significance in the organization for facilitating them in the strategic decision making process. Question number eight: implementing analytics tools is difficult and costly, therefore, it does not serve much purpose. Question number nine: big data analytics is the process of examining large and varied data sets to uncover hidden patterns. Question number 10: there is not much scope to use HR analytical in HR related decisions as HR related decisions require human orientation. So I'm sure you would have learned a lot of things from this video. If you like this video, you can press the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it on social media. Help us to spread education in this beautiful world. Thank you.